If you've lost access to your TikTok account and can't receive verification codes, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Open the TikTok app. Launch the TikTok app on your device. If you are logged out, tap on the login button to begin the recovery process. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Password option. Tap on it to initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Choose recovery method. You will be presented with different recovery options. Select the method that you prefer, such as using your email address or phone number associated with the account. Step 4. Use account recovery form. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Wait for TikTok's response. After submitting the recovery form, wait for TikTok to review your request. They may reach out via email or in-app notifications with further instructions or to confirm your identity. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to recover your TikTok account. Remember to keep your recovery information updated to avoid future issues.